Hello everyone. What is our problem, we Igbos? When you look at what is going on all over, you can see that Igbo people are like someone that hates to see someone growing bigger or higher in life. Any little thing, if you see your brother or your sister, you would like to bring him down. Why? Igbos, why is this thing like this? We Igbo, why are we like people that does not have conscience, people that does not have human sympathy? Do you know that when you talk about somebody, you are giving the person, like, you are making the person to be feeling in a normal circumstances. When you talk bad about somebody, you know the repercussion. It makes the person to not be feeling fine. Whenever someone is saying wrong thing about someone, whenever you are talking about someone, pointing at the person, criticizing that person, condemning that person, judging that person, do you know that in life, that does not make the person feel good? But we Igbos knows these things, but we keep doing it. Condemning someone, only one person, even you that is talking about him, do you think before coming? How many people condemning and talking about him? You have the same conscience, you didn't even think, oh, this is too much. Only one person. Do you know that someone gave birth to him? Do you think about the family? Do you think about the sister? I was even asking myself, even if this man is bad, does it get to this? Has it got to has it got to the stage people will be saying this? Even people I knew that they did something bad, we all knew that the person did something bad. People are not even talking about them like that. When you try to say something, they say it's okay, we've said it. Let's try to know how we will accommodate him, you know, how we make peace reign. Talk more of somebody that does not even did something that what the way people are condemning the person. If you open your social media handles, you'll be seeing where they are talking about only one person. And these people saying these things are Igbo people talking about their own brother, making numerous things in the name of to mock him, condemn him, criticize him, lie against him. My dear, this thing is too much. Does it mean that we Igbo, we don't have conscience anymore? We don't have human sympathy? Where our brotherly love and sisterly love we always talk about? Where do we keep these things in our hearts? Does it mean we don't have conscience? Even if Ebukobi did something wrong, has he gotten to the stage that people will be saying these things about him, using him as a mockery? My dear, Igbos, you people are showing the world the way you are. Is this a good example you people are showing to the world? Or you don't even think before coming out to do whatever you want to do about him in social media? Do you really think this thing I'm doing, does it worth it? Do you know that many people are watching it? When people are watching it, do you think what will be in their mind? People are not Igbos. People that are from another tribe. People that are not that are not Nigerians. Other foreigners, African countries. Do you think, no, the way you people are talking, this thing is going viral, like going other continents, and they are all seeing it? Do you think about how will people be seeing the tribe we came from, our own tribe peoples? This is the highest criticism I have seen since in my life, in the history of Nigeria. You people have the heart. You people keep doing it. Condemning him, saying a lot of things that is not true. It is not good. This is very bad. Why are we like this? Why do we hate ourselves? We have this kind of energy. We cannot use it to build our own. Make things to happen in our own land. We use it to criticize our own brother. That means there is no brotherly love anymore. Igbos. Hey! Tofiakwa. Asima gbapu mi anisi anyị, God forbid. Obu no mmadu mele anyị. Agbapunu mi anisi. Asima aji gbakwa ndị Igbo. When you you don't think the repercussion in the future. Do you know there is a law of karma? It's not even because he's able to be. Making your brother to be crying like in sorrow. Open a ko ya adiocha. Imana kwa free. O merota oge emechi. O merota oge emechi. Ichemi echiche. Think very well before coming out to do something like that. We will be saying a lot of things against our own. Even if the person did something wrong, there's a way you do it. Even if you want to talk in social media, you say it in a wise way, with wisdom, and pass by. What is it? You bring it out that you are ever ready to fight. When people look at your inner mind, what you are doing, it shows really you are out for fights. Igbo people. Igbo people. It is not good. This is not, it is very bad. And the worst part of it is our land. You people are defiling it, making a mess that will cause more harm in the future. Amorom no nenwekwelo okenye nọ n'akụkụ ma ife a na-alụ na-enye unu ndụmọdụ ka ọfa na-asị unu gawa n'iru na nsogbu adịrọ. Ọ dịrọkwanụ mma. Nke a bụkwa okwu ndụmọdụ ka m ji pụta. Ọ dịrọkwanụ mma. Ife a unu na-eme. Ife unu na-eme. Ndị nke melụ nke family na mgbe gara aga, unu ebutekwa abụmọnụ a na-amụrụ ka e ga-esi wee hazi. Ada emekwu mora mmụọ. Ebe ọ nọ ka njọ bụ na ada ezozi ya ezo. Na-eme ọdụ okwu na ndị ụmụ ife a niile unu na-emecha dịzi na onwerokwa mfichete. Iwepụgodi ya ewelu gị ọ dịzi na mmụọ na mmadụ a na-afụ ife niile zaa. Ọka unu obi, you people are doing it. You stand strong doing it. You don't even think this thing I'm doing, does it look right? This thing I'm doing, does it look right? Or you're just doing it, you don't care. Whatever it will be, let it be. Life is not like that. You don't do life. You don't do things in life. Whatever it will be, let it be. This is what is causing all this problem. At the end, the person will start thinking, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is happening around me. You will not know because you didn't think when you were doing it at the initial time. It is good to be thinking before doing things. You have to think. I'm not saying when you notice something wrong, you will not say it, but the way we Igbos are doing it, it is wrong. It is very, very wrong. As if we are doing it as if we are out for fight. I know when brothers are having issues, there's a way they handle it. They will have complications, conflicts, issues, but they will handle it in an amicable way. It just be as if nothing happened. But this one I'm seeing on social media, my dear, this is practical evil. It is not good. It is not good. You people are provoking the law of nature, especially in the spiritual aspect of it. Please, my people, Igbo people, it is time to leave this man alone. You have stayed enough. Everyone that wanted to say something, you people have said it all. Leave him alone. Let him be. Leave him alone. Let Evangelist Chukwuebuka Noziobi be. Leave him alone. You people should leave him alone. All right. Commercial ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo bilikwan. Asị m egbe belu ugo belu nke si ibi ya ebene nkufopia. Somu eze ga-akwụ ọtọ ya kwụrụ ọtọ nkwatuo ya. Abụrụ ezigbote eze. Onye dị ndụ jidekwa ọfọ na oji ọfọ ga-ama. Ọkwa nke njibia. Jisie n'ike ọ ga-adị m. Onye nụrụ ọnụ ma yalụ maka gbasara ya. Okwu ndụmọdụ ka njaba. Ụmụ Igbo fụwa na onwe unu n'anya. Unu agbazina onwe unu mgba. Jide nnukwu unu ji ndị ekpele, ndị bụ ndị ekpele, ndị omenala, onye ọbụla mebe nke dị mma. Na ọ ga-adịla anyị Igbo be anyị na mma. Anyị bụ ụmụ Igbo jikọrọ aka ọnụ si na ọ ga-adịla ụmụ Igbo mma. Ndị ife ndị Igbo na-adị mma. Ndị si na ife dị mma ga-adị n'ala be anyị. Ọ ga-adịla onye ọbụla mma. Ebe ọbụla ị nọ na mba niile, ebe ị nọ mba ofesi, ị nọ na mba be anyị, ọ bụ na ife niile ị na-eme bụ na ọ ga-adịla Igbo be anyị na mma. Na ị na-ewepụta ezigbo obi wee na-asị na Igbo land na ọ ga-adịla Igbo land mma. Ọ ga-adịla unu mma. Mana ndị a na-ebute mkpasacha na aghasacha, ana m adụkwa unu ọdụ tọgbọ nke unu ji ma jidenụ nke dị mma. Wuyala esikwa na asịkwa na ma ama, asịkwa na ma ama, asịkwa na mma, ka ọ yala ịbụ n'okwu ga-esi unu n'ọnụ wee pụta na mgbe ikpeazụ. Ọ ga-adị jisie n'ike. Ọ ga-adịrị Igbo be anyị na mma.